Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how to copy a game in Roblox. Well, you may see an experience that you think would work as a good starting point for your own experience. The good news is that some builders encourage you to use their experiences for this purpose. However, an experience can only be copied if the notice this experience's source can be copied is listed on the experience about tab. Please see the help article on Roblox about how to allow or disallow copying of the experience for further details. Now, if the experience is allowed to be copied, then the following steps will help you as a starting point for your own experience. So what you're going to do is go to the experience detail page, for example, right from here. First, you need to go to the experience detail page, right? And now from here, click on the icon that looks like three dots in the upper right of its title. And then here you'll find it just edit in the menu that pops up. And this will open the experience in the studio where you can do one of two things. First up, you can just go to choose file and save us and save the experience to your computer. You can then edit experience to your liking, or you can go to the choose file and then publish to Roblox as, and then either upload over an existing experience or create a new one. So please note that before deciding to publish a copied experience, be sure to first ask permission from the creator. So if the player's experience is not allowed to be copied and you want to make your own version, be sure to ask the creator for permission first. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.